We have come to almost the end of the design. Finishing the design includes creating pockets for the mold base components, subtracting the gates, runner and cooling channels. The final step is creating the drawings. First, we will create configurations for the core and the cavity inserts. This needs to be done because the cooling channels are different in the impressions. A configuration allows the design to have different features in two instances of the same part. As the application allows you to add mold base plates and components along the design process, there are some parts in the mold base assembly which is left inactive. Now that we no longer need them, we can use the purge function to delete them to improve the performance. Once the configuration is done, let's go to iMold Tools, and select Pocket Manager Automatic. Pocketing Manager allows you to create the pockets for all the components in the mold in a batch operation, improving productivity and performance. Select all the options available. Click OK to create pockets. As this process may take some time, a dialog warns that pocketing is a time-consuming operation depending on the number of components in assembly. Click OK, close the dialog and carry out pocketing.